Window replacement is a home improvement project that offers numerous benefits for Glendale residents. Whether you are upgrading old, drafty windows or enhancing your home's aesthetic appeal, investing in new windows can improve energy efficiency, increase property value, and enhance overall comfort. Here are some of the top benefits of window replacement for Glendale homeowners. Improved energy efficiency. Glendale experiences hot summers and mild winters, making energy efficiency a top priority for homeowners. Old, single-pane windows often allow heat to enter during the summer and escape during the winter, leading to higher energy bills. Modern replacement windows are designed with advanced insulation technology, such as double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and argon gas fills, which help maintain indoor temperatures and reduce reliance on air conditioning and heating systems. By upgrading to energy-efficient windows, Glendale residents can significantly lower their utility costs while reducing their carbon footprint. Enhanced home comfort. Drafty or poorly insulated windows can create uncomfortable indoor conditions, with hot and cold spots throughout the home. New windows provide better insulation, helping to maintain a consistent and comfortable temperature year-round. This is especially important in Glendale, where temperatures can soar in the summer. In addition, many modern windows come with noise-reducing features, helping to block out street noise, barking dogs, and other disturbances, ensuring a more peaceful living environment. Increased property value. Replacing old windows with modern, high-quality options can increase the resale value of your home. Homebuyers are increasingly looking for energy-efficient and aesthetically pleasing features, making new windows a strong selling point. Studies show that window replacement projects offer a high return on investment, ROI, making them a smart financial decision for homeowners looking to improve both their property's value and curb appeal. Better security and safety. Old windows with worn-out locks or thin glass pose a security risk. Modern replacement windows come with advanced locking mechanisms, reinforced glass, and impact-resistant materials, providing better protection against break-ins and accidents. Additionally, newer windows often include improved opening and closing mechanisms, making them easier to operate in case of emergencies, such as fires or other hazards. Enhanced curb appeal. New windows can dramatically improve the appearance of your home. With a wide variety of styles, colors, and frame materials available, you can customize your windows to match your home's architectural design and personal aesthetic preferences. Whether you choose sleek modern frames or classic wood finishes, replacement windows can refresh the look of your home and make it more visually appealing from the inside and outside. Reduced maintenance requirements. Older windows often require frequent maintenance, such as painting, sealing, and cleaning hard-to-reach areas. Newer window models are designed with low-maintenance materials, such as vinyl or fiberglass, which resist warping, cracking, and peeling. Additionally, many modern windows feature tilt-in sashes, allowing for easy cleaning from the inside, eliminating the need for ladders or extensive maintenance routines. UV protection for interiors. Glendale's abundant sunshine can cause fading and damage to furniture, carpets, and artwork over time. Many new windows come with UV-resistant coatings that help block harmful ultraviolet rays, protecting your home's interior from sun-related wear and tear. With UV protection, homeowners can preserve the look and longevity of their furnishings while enjoying natural light without the damaging effects of direct sunlight. Conclusion. For Glendale residents, replacing old windows offers a range of benefits, from improved energy efficiency and home comfort to increased security and aesthetic appeal. Upgrading to modern, high-quality windows is a worthwhile investment that can enhance your quality of life while adding long-term value to your home. Whether you're looking to reduce energy costs, boost property value, or simply enjoy a more comfortable living space, window replacement is a smart and practical home improvement solution.